Hello, do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 16? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So subtraction number bonds are basically two numbers which subtracted together equal 16. So we could have an easy one, like 20 take away 4. That's a great subtraction number bond because it's easy to work out and it equals 16. What about this one? Is that a subtraction number bond for 16? I'll let you work it out at home. Yes, it is! That equals 16. So these are great examples of what you should be looking for. So play the next game and try and look for different combinations that together subtracted equals 16. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!